have wasted this game when we had the chance to do that.
Yes, you are right. I suggest we should move very fast because the police must have heard about it and they might be searching for her everywhere now. Remember, we don't want to be caught in the middle. And the boss said we should not be careless.
Forget the boss! See, guys, let's go and tell the boss that we have wasted that family.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Huh?
We started this thing and we are going to finish it.
Are you questioning my orders? I called the shot here and you listen. Do you understand me? Let go of me. We started this mission and we're going to finish it. Remember the boss said we should get the girl and kill her and get the baby alive.
This is not why we're here. We need to get out of this place.
Alright, let's pray that.
Somebody help me! Somebody help! You must help yourself now. Always remember who you are. Please don't kill me. No. Please don't kill me. No. Ada baby.
Give it to me!
Why are you both blocking the road?
My friend, shut up. Enter this line. You don't want to enter?
Allow me pass.
Allow you pass, he said. I should allow you pass. Njideka, who were you calling a village prostitute? Don't even give me that your belly face because someone heard you when you were talking to Akwanwa about me. Now enter this line. So start talking. Talk! You don't have anything to say. Come, can I tell you? Oh no, start talking! Start talking now. Start talking.
Rema, I've never told anybody about you. Besides, why will I even discuss you? I don't have that time.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Ada, this girl has just insulted me.
Hi!
You don't have time to talk about me. Njideka, you don't have time to talk about me. Me, Urema. Hey! You don't like me. Come on, go there. Chimo! Ada, do the work of the Lord. You stay there. Peter! Give us this! Nonsense! You stay there. You stay there. Njideka. After today, I hear you say PIM again. You listen. You not give it. Again, you get Jackie.
Rema, in fact, I was coming to your house.
Coming to which person's house?
To your mother's house.
Which person's house?
Now listen, see what your daughter did to my daughter. Are you seeing it? Yeah? You see what Rema did to my daughter? And she's standing there running her mouth like a dog.
Why would I run my mouth? Instead of you to tell your daughter to stop talking to with my name all the time, you are here saying nonsense. What is it? I think but look at what you've caused. And instead of you to be remorseful about it, you're here running your mouth. Mama, instead of you to support me for once, you are here supporting strangers. Can't you see the way she's supporting her daughter? What am I supposed to do with you? Orema, don't put me into trouble. Hey, Orema, give me. It's alright. You don't have to cry. Don't cry, I can understand. I understand very well. Oh? But warn this girl. Warn her the next time she will lay her finger on my daughter. Hey! Yes, I will challenge you. I will gladly challenge you. Mama, I will respect you. No, come and stand. I'll be respecting you. I'm over. Mama, you have take it. Hold on, man. Take it. Because one. I'm going to take it. There will be a second round. We can win. Mom, if your mother that want to fight this fight, she's not killing you. I will beat the both of you. Yes, I said what I said. I will beat the both of you. You. Hey, Ujide can go on. I said I'm waiting for you. You. Come for me. Next time, don't fight. Come and meet me at home. Don't fight. She cannot do it. Because come here, tell me. You come to this team now. Mama, what are you doing? You got this place alone. I will not go with you. Bye. What are you doing to family?
You should remove this shot! Please forgive me.
You must learn to respect constituted authorities.
Yes.
Meanwhile, I'll keep you on my watch list. Anytime you misbehave, I will not only deal with you, but I will lock you up and throw the keys in the river.
You're ready?
Yes, Mama.
Actually, look at you. Why are you torturing yourself like? Look at what you're using to comb your hair. Is that thing comb? Is brush comb?
Mama, why are you always attacking me? Why do you like attacking me? This is my hair. It is not your hair, Mama. Biko now, rap makabiko.
I should leave you. I should rap your kabiko. Listen, one day I will personally cut this hair. By the time you wake up, everything is gone. There will be no single strand of hair on this your head. Oh, you get look in the oru. You have to see if one.
Mama, with what you just said now, that means I'm not coming back to this house.
What for? Run away from this house because of hair.
Tashi, I'm ready. Let's go. We are running late.
Can't you see that I'm still brushing my hair? You want me to go there looking like a bushman?
Oh, you're already looking like a bushman. With this hair, with this thing I've seen, you're already a bushman. Tell your brother to go and scrape off this thing. The era of slave trade, Ogago, that is not the era now. The man are this sharp, this smart, they can mad. Yes.
Okay. It is obvious that both of you are conspiring against me.
Now I see how my money suddenly grow wings
just like
fly away from this place.
I am not coming back to this house again.
Yes. Mama, please.
You people don't know how much it takes for me to maintain a hair like this.
It's still very early, please. Calm down.
Look at your brother, look at what he's using to cut.
Kachika, let's go.
Let's go. I don't understand. I'm done already. Let's go.
Does he know how much it costs to maintain this?
You are stubborn. Let's go.
Mama, this hair is very expensive. Mama, this hair is very, very expensive.
Oh, I now see where my money is flying from.
Okay, good in here.
Oh, let's get up here. Tell him to cut this hair. Tell him what way is your work.
And you are trouble itself. I mean, sometimes you try and overlook some things. Catchy.
Sister, you're talking about overlook. When you were there yesterday when Mama was threatening to shave off my hair.
You know she never meant it. She was just joking with you. Stubborn boy.
Sister, what are you pointing at?
Those women coming towards us.
Women?
They are even bearing the pot. They signify evil. Evil is about to bear. This is no good sign at all.
You're scaring me. What are you talking about? I cannot see any women. I don't understand you. What women?
The curse bearers.
Hey.
Yes. I am sure someone must have invoked them for evil.
Hey.
No eye sees them except those that are gifted. And once they pass through this land, that means there is problem.
Akudo, you're scaring me. What?
There is problem.
Akudo, I beg, please. You're beginning.
Oh no.
You're beginning to say nonsense. Please.
I'm telling you the truth.
Hey, can we just go to where we're going to? Please, we're late.
No,
I don't
this
understand.
will not happen. You will not understand, Kachi. You don't understand.
Akudo, let's go. Let's go. This is
Evil.
Akudo, Gawagodi, you're by now.
Tell me, priestess, what did you see?
Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both feet. Your Majesty, the secret pudding eaten last night is about to be exposed in broad daylight.
You speak in parables. I want answers, not parables.
Find the one key. Else, peace will elude you forever.
Have you suddenly cut off your tongue? Tell me, where are you coming back from?
I went to night vigil. Just that I overslept. That's why I'm returning now.
Hey! So, this is now your new pattern of sneaking out of the house anytime you want, Okuya?
No, Mama, no. Not that. I went to night vigil. Don't you want me to worship God again?
Worship Bukwagi? What?
Hey, Mama, respect yourself.
I should respect myself. Okay.
Mom, I miss you.
I missed you too, son.
Mom, what's happening to you? You take these things personal. You don't age.
Really?
Yes, you're evergreen, mother.
Thank you, son. What happened? You took me unawares. I got to know about your return just this morning.
Oh, because I know who you are. If you learn I'm coming home, you will invite the whole village to come welcome me. And I want to come home peacefully. And I do not want that.
Welcome back home, my crown prince.
Oh, thank you.
Oh no.
Yes. Oh no! Who? Oh, pardon me.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You know, it's been long I left, and it's been long I saw you guys too.
Yes.
Wow, good stuff. Good to see you.
Thank you.
How's the family?
Oh, they are all doing great.
Wow.
Welcome back, my friend.
Thank you very much.
They are looking really great, man.
Thank you. Where's father?
Where else would he be if not in his throne, waiting for your safe return?
Okay, here I am now.
Let's go inside.
See father.
What are you still doing there? Take his luggage to his chamber. Hey.
Oh, father! Father!
Here comes the heir of the kingdom. You're welcome, my son.
Hey.
Wow. My father. Father, I've really missed you. Father, I'm going to break protocols right now.
Oh, go ahead, son.
Watch me do it. Watch me do it.
Father, see how you've grown into a fool, man.
You can say that again.
Your Majesty, he has grown to be so strong. And I know Ifite people will love him. You see, he's going to be a worthy and strong king like the father.
Oh no, you can say that again.
Of course.
Mother, I've been meaning to ask, right? Why didn't you visit the States as you promised? What happened?
I'm sorry, son. I developed cold feet because I couldn't have left your father all by himself.
But he's not a boy.
Well, son, why don't you go to your chamber and freshen up while lunch is being set?
Oh my goodness, I miss my mom's food. Okay, which way is my chamber? Because everyone is kind of confused to me.
This way. Come on, son, don't be a stranger here. This is what Palace. And listen, forget. Let me congratulate you for making me proud father. Not just me, but the entire continent of Africa.
Thank you, Father. But I must also thank you and Mom who made it possible for me to, be who I am today. Thanks a lot.
Oh, Your Majesty, let me take him to his chamber.
That's all right.
Let's go.
Okay. Wow. My mother. Oh no. Your Majesty, proceed immediately to the town crier. I want you to inform the entire Ifite kingdom that I have decreed 3 days of non-stop festivities in my palace. Your Majesty, 3 days. Let me do that immediately.
If I'm I'm going to go. I'm very serious. He is so handsome. If you see this guy, if you see his smile, he smiles like a demigod. I am serious. Have you seen a demigod before? Or you just want to hype yourself? Which one is like, it smiles like a demigod? Because he is. Because why don't we go where back? Did he come back alone or did he come back with any girl or white woman? Why are you asking me? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. See, what are you thinking? Your eye. No, not silly. What are you thinking? When I was saying they don't my problem is that you like to think, not to act. What are you thinking? Even if it's what you are thinking, the prince is single and searching. And I already have eyes for him. So, what is it? How are you acting? Mama, welcome. Mama, welcome. Mama,
you are sounding century like Virgin Mary status. Is everything alright? Did you lose anything today?
Urema, where did you get the food you are eating? Urema, is this not the food I was begging you to cook this morning? You ignored me, pretended you were not hungry. When you were ignoring me, you thought I would feel the pain of fire. You won't believe anything.
Mama, you like to show yourself, especially when you see my friends around. And I don't know why you are like that. Why? Why? You asked me, you said I should come and cook. I said, okay. When I'm back, I'll come and cook. By the time I got back, I figured out that food was ready. I called you back, I don't believe. Eh? What wrong did I do here?
Bia, I think when you see, kiti para chapa kuna buanya.
Eh? You see, this food you're eating is meant for your father and I. You won't believe it.
Eat food, Domiko. Eh? Eat food. Mama, I will embarrass you. No, you like to embarrass me. Ada, why my mother is eating this? Give me this food. Mama, give me this water. Mama, give me this water. Mama, what is that? I don't know here, man. Oh, I'm going to go. Urema, it's on your book.
What do you see? I've made a sticker place. What is your name? I live in this. Okay, wait here. Let me find my place.
Desmond Tutu. The Crown Prince. Desmond Tutu. The Crown Prince. The only prince that traveled to America and returned in grand style. Hey, look at you. I thought they said this country is hard for survival, but looking at you, I refuse to believe that.
You have started again.
No, for real.
We're only living by the grace of God.
Right? Please have a seat, my brother.
Thank you.
I was saying, what's going on? Wow.
I'm so happy to see you.
Same here, same here. So what happened to your line? I tried to reach you several.
Yeah, I changed my name.
Oh, I thought as much. Yeah, as much.
You look good, bro. You look good.
Bro,
you fresh.
You look good. Same here. Look at your muscles. Please, what do I offer you?
Anything, I'm okay. See you, I'm happy. It's been a long time.
God bless you.
It's been a long time I've set my life.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey!
I only have 500 naira.
Madam, the last is 700.
I don't have 700 naira.
Touch it though.
I know it will last, but the truth is that
Is everything alright?
Excuse me.
Madam! Excuse me. Are you not buying it again? Please, come back and buy it too. This morning I just opened my shop. You're leaving.
Madam! Excuse me, madam. Sorry, I've been trying to call your attention.
Were you referring to me?
Yes.
Do you know me before?
No, I don't know you before, but there is something important I need to say to you. Madam, a strong deity has marked you for destruction. I can see it. Listen, I don't know you before. We have never met. But you have to listen to me. This is very important. It's about life and death. Please.
Are you stupid?
No, I'm not.
Who do you think you are to talk to me in this manner?
Madam, I do not need to know who you are before I speak to you. I just got the clear revelation not quite long. I'm seeing it on your head. It's terrible. It's about your life, please.
Enough of this insult.
Except you want me to deal with you now.
No,
get out from my sight.
Please, you don't have to. Listen to me, please. Please, madam, please don't go. Please don't go.
Akudo, pull yourself together. It's not in any way your fault, huh? Stop!
How can I possibly pull myself together when I was in a position to save a life, yet I couldn't? But I tried, Mama. I mean, I tried everything I could to speak to her, but she was so adamant. She couldn't listen to me.
It's alright.
I spoke to her, she wouldn't listen to me. Nana, I feel so guilty. I feel so guilty that I wasn't able to save her. I feel so guilty.
Stop! It's not in any way your fault. Listen, some people either have the choice to live or die. It's not in any way your fault. You did your best.
But Mama, why does this thing keep coming? Why is it tormenting me? Why does it keep coming? It wouldn't stop. It's tormenting me for crying out loud. It is. Why?
Could you just stop crying and listen to me? Let me take you down memory lane. Listen to me.
Listening.
Akudo, when you were 2 years old, I took you to the farm so that we can harvest some cassava.
And?
I kept you under a shade because the sun was scorching hot. You were sleeping. All of a sudden you woke up and began to cry. And you were pointing one direction, right behind me. At first I looked. I couldn't see anything. Then I looked again. All of a sudden I saw a heavy branch falling towards me. That was how I was saved.
Oh my God. This happened?
Yes. There and then, I knew you were destined for exploits. So don't be afraid when you see these visions, because...
Why could I not save her?
You might be... When the time you see this vision, relax. You might be saving a life.
I couldn't save this particular one.
It wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault. She wasn't forthcoming. It's always like that. Some will live, some will die. But it's a matter of choice. Alright? It's okay. Oh, where is this lazy daughter of mine? Other people have gone to the farm and she's still in the... Urema! No, tell me you did not hear me call you. I called you more than 3 times and... Wait, are you still sleeping?
Mama, it's not important. What is important is that I'm here now. So say why you called me. What is it?
Can you hear yourself right? No, listen to yourself. Wait, did you say you want to go back and sleep? Eh? So that you wake up when the food is ready. It be an share for you to eat. Go in there. Behind that door, there is one small hole there. Bring it. You're going with me to the farm. Ozwonje. Now,
which farm, Mama? Please, I'm not going to any farm. I told you that I want to go and complete my sleep. You are telling me that I should follow you to the farm. Should I carry sleepy eyes and follow you to the farm? Mama, why you like that? Why do you like trouble, sir? This early morning you started already.
Wait, Chaloma. Did you say you're not going to the farm?
Yes, Mama, I'm not going to the farm. I'm going back to sleep.
Go and sleep! Keep sleeping!
How have you been coping with our office work? Hope you are learning the ropes.
Well, Father, it's not been easy. To be honest, it's not been easy to step into your big shoes. Could you believe I almost passed out when I saw the heap of files on my desk?
That's what I've been battling over the years. But anyway, it's my fault. I'm supposed to have attended to those files. But thank goodness you arrived at the time you did. I hope you do a better job than me.
Why not? Why am I here? Of course I will. Of course I will. So where's mother?
She must be in her chambers.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, son, I need to have a word with you. You know, since you arrived, I've not had time to discuss important matters with you, especially where it concerns marriage. Soon you'll be presented to the kingmakers.
Well, Father, you know, marriage is not something you just dabble into like that. It needs time and, you know, proper attention towards that. So I feel there is still time for me to work on that.
Marriage is important in the royal family because no one would take you serious to consider you as a crown heir unless you are married. Anyway, let's keep that in view.
Okay, Father. I will keep that in view.
Your Highness, did you notice how confidently your son Henry carries himself? Exactly like you. He brings back good old memories of when we met.
When we were young. You see, when he walked in here, I said to myself, this is my flesh and blood. The next generation of Harrison Okundo. And I got encouraging report from the office. I knew he is the one with the administrative skills.
I just hope he didn't get entangled with a white woman. Your Majesty, I think we should hurriedly link him up with a beautiful girl from a reputable family.
Well, that's a wonderful idea. But I doubt if he will be disposed to such an arrangement. You see, children of nowadays, they believe they are the one to make their decisions. I think we'll just let him bring in his heart desire.
We will stick to the old ways. Yes, it has always worked. It has built stronger families. Now, look at us. Over the years, our love is still waxing stronger.
So, what do you suggest?
Well, my king, leave that to me. I know what to do.
Mama, Papa, Mama the mama, Papa the papa. Why are you eating? I am single. Mama, I went to the kitchen. I found out it's locked. I don't know whether it's you that locked it.
It is the angels that lock the kitchen. Since I don't have the right to lock my kitchen in my own husband's house.
Mama, you should also remember that it's my own father's house.
You are just telling me.
Mama, please, I'm hungry. Give me the key. Let me go and carry my own food.
Oh, you are hungry. When it's time to work, you tell me, Mama. I am feeling stupid. I want to sleep to my shield. So your housemaid will go to the farm and come back and make food for you to come and eat.
Mama, give me the key now. Should I carry this one?
No. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you. Did you say you are hungry?
I'm hungry because...
Oh, so one has to carry...
Mama, if it's place, stop it though. Give me the key, let me go and carry my own food. You are here eating and you are doing, the more you look, the less you see with me. Give me the key, I'm hungry because...
Lazy girl. I pity the man that will marry you and keep you in the house as a wife. Come and eat food.
It's really a surprise seeing you again after all this while. I've been asking your mom after you go. Oh my goodness, you've grown into such a beautiful woman.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty.
Such a delight.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, by the way, how is your mom?
She's fine. She actually insisted I pay you a visit.
Really? That's so nice of her. I hear you're now a medical doctor, right?
Oh, that!
Yes, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh,
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm so happy. I'm so oh my goodness. Oh,
Mom?
Son?
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt your conversation with your guest.
Oh, not at all.
Okay, so I was thinking...
You actually came at the right time. Lydia.
Your Majesty.
This is Lydia, the daughter of the Attorney General of the state.
I see.
And Lydia, my son, the Crown Prince of Ifite Kingdom, the heir apparent.
Nice to meet you. You know, I've actually heard a lot about you.
Oh, really? You're welcome. Please have a seat.
Well, now that the introduction has been made, I want to go to the kitchen to make sure the cooks are being perfect.
Mom, I'm trying to tell you...
Son, can't you just hold forth for Mom? Excuse me. Excuse me. Bye!
She'll be back before you know it.
Okay. No, I think we need to pass, Mom. Okay. So, you a lawyer?
No, I'm actually a doctor.
Oh, a doctor.
We have come a long way, my priestess. And the throne of Ifite is safe in my hands. My son, the heir of Ifite, is back to his fatherland. And I'm preparing a great sacrifice for Amaro, the god of wealth and power.
Your Majesty, I am proud of you for being a worthy disciple of Amaro, the goddess. She has predicted that your dynasty shall be the longest and most successful. But your son...
What about my son? What is it that you saw concerning him?
Find the one key, King Harrison. It is only going to get worse.
I have known you for decades, and you only speak to me in parables. How am I supposed to know where the key is?
The key must be sacrificed, else it will be your doom. The kingdom belongs to you, and left for you to sit back and search properly. Do not say I didn't warn you.
Great one.
What I'm meant to be. Hey, the way you're doing na chia na churi jiji oh. This is Sinachi. Hi, la 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 la.
So I'm looking forward to having that with you next time.
Same here, my friends. You really made my day.
Oh, I'm humbled. You see, Lydia, I think it's nice for us to work out something, you know, work out something between us. One of these days.
Really? Hope you're not planning to pull me through any exam desk.
Exam desk.
I was joking, my friends.
Oh, you got me there. You got me there. Alright, so my regards to your parents. Tell them I'm saying hi.
Of course they will hear, and do take care of yourself.
Sure I will.
So where did you park your car?
Oh, outside the meeting.
Oh.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jideki jie. Mane echifukwana no onye ga-abụ eze. Echezokwala na onye ga-achị ọchịchị.
I can see the rainbow all over your face. Tell me, do you like her?
Get me water. Well, mother, don't you think it's too early to insinuate that? No doubt, she's a nice girl. But in father's words, it's still in view.
Son, that girl will make a wonderful queen. Her mother and I have come a long way, so I don't want you to waste time at all.
Mother, relax, alright? You're pushing this too early. I just met this girl. I know nothing about her. So why the rush?
Don't think I'm blind though. I saw the way both of you were stealing glances at each other.
Mom!
Yes, I saw you.
Stop. Well, I have to excuse myself right now. I have so many paperwork to attend to. And also to meet Dad at the throne room.
It's alright. But son, when do you think you'll see Lydia again?
Oh my God. Mom, what is wrong with you? Lydia just left right now. Have you forgotten?
I know.
So? Excuse me. See you.
Akudo, have you seen my brush and mirror anywhere?
Why would you ask me such questions? Have you ever seen me with your brush before?
Because I know that comb and mirror is visible enough to be noticed by even those who hate it. Yes.
If it is so, why haven't you seen it? Or are you blind?
Stop arguing and just tell me the last place you saw it.
Please, Kachi, I am not in for your troubles this morning. I am not. As you can see, I am trying to prepare this meal so that Mama will eat when she returns. Allow me in peace, Biko.
Let me not fight.
Come, Kachi, you're a man, no? It is high time you stop all this. You're a man. Papa will soon come.
Akudo! Where she goes?
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Agaye mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jide kijie. Mane echifukwana no onye gabu eze. Echizokwala no onye gachi ochichi. Destiny may be delayed, destiny can...
Mama. Mama.
Njideka.
Mama.
I think my time is up.
No, Mama. Don't talk like that.
I don't think I can make it again. Njideka.
Mama.
You have to be strong.
Mama, please. Mama, you stop talking that way. You will be fine. You're going to be alright. Where will I go to? Who will I turn to, Mama? Mama, okay, fine, Mama. I'll take you to the hospital.
Njideka, no. I've spent a lot already. Njideka, I don't have any hope in this cruel world anymore.
There is hope. Akudo. She has been like this for days.
Is there any ogilisi tree in this compound?
Yes. Over there. What are you looking for? What is this?
This is the reason your mother has remained sick. It is called Abakuru, the widow's whisper. This charm is meant to kill her slowly. Once your heart is attached to this charm, the only thing you hear is the widow's loud cry.
But who must have done this?
An enemy did. Anybody could have done it. But your uncle did it. If the sun had set on this charm today, your mother would have been dead.
What do we do now? Kudu, what do we do? Please don't let my mother die. Please. Mama, you're fine. You're okay, Mama. Akudo! Mama! Akudo!
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Agaye mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you for saving my mother. I can't thank you enough. You answered prayers.
It's okay. Listen, you don't have to thank me. I only answered the call to save your mother's life, which I am so fulfilled doing it. Trust me. All you have to do right now is to be very careful. You have to be very, very careful because the war is not over yet.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. What is it?
My food! My food! My food! Okay, bye-bye, Akudo!
Oh, I will be what I'm meant to.
Mama! Mama! Akudo is back!
Please, where's Mama?
You're begging me to keep quiet. When you have burnt all the meat we're supposed to use to cook this afternoon.
Mama! Can't you at least pretend?
Pretend what? Mama! Mama!
Kachi, don't go home.
Akudo is back!
Are you doing this?
Mama, here is Akudo.
What did you do? Where did you go?
Mama, why are you still asking Akudo all these questions now? You're supposed to be flogging her now for burning the whole meat we are supposed to be using cooking this afternoon.
Mama, please. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You know, I'm always not in control myself whenever I'm being called upon. I'm so sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Mama, you bought our lies. Oh yeah, what are we going to eat now?
Food! That is all you know in this house. We can go and sit down.
I'm back another soup. Mama, me I'm hungry. Me I'm hungry.
Come and eat me.
Me I'm hungry.
Mama, please, I'll come and eat. Thank you, Mama.
Come and eat me instead. Food.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Akana akara dieme yangi chao.
Greetings, my prince. What a glorious day to behold the face of my crown prince. Greetings once again.
Oh, greetings, fair maiden. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay. So, quick one, right? Which part leads to Onowo's house? Because I'm missing the whole path. I really need to deliver an important message before it's late.
Okay, maybe I can take you there. Should we go in your car or we trek?
That will make it more easier.
When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry. Jidekije mane echifukwana n'onye ga-abụ eze echezokwala n'onye ga-achị ọchịchị. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied.
What's going on? We've been driving around for a long time and we're yet to get to the Nowo's place. Are you confused?
Prince, I know. I'm sorry. No, I wanted us to come this far so as to stay away from the villagers and have this
Are you serious? Wait, you mean you brought me this far to say this nonsense?
No, not at all. I'm making a whole lot of sense. I don't know. You know you are very handsome. And I was thinking maybe we can just make use of this opportunity to do something.
You know, I'm a low-key madman. I wouldn't want you to see that part of me. Can you kindly get out of my car right
now? You should understand what I'm trying to say. Let's just make use of any of these ways now. You know, just do something quickly, yeah? Sorry. Hey, wait. Sorry.
be what I'm meant to.
Sharp, kill you there.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Wait now. Wait what? Faster than what shadow? It is you who is faster than your shadow. So after tricking me into sleeping with you yet again, you are giving me gist of wire. So where is the money?
I thought I've explained everything to you. Eh? Is that why you're acting up? Money is not supposed to be an issue between us now.
The question is, I have calmed down and I don't want problem again. So are you giving me the money or not? It's a yes or no question. Are you giving me the money? I'm not here for long talk.
Okay. You know what? I have not said I'm not going to give you money. Did I ever say so? I just explain things to you. Okay, you know what? For the money to be complete, you understand? You know what I'm saying? For the money to be complete, I just want you to, both of us, one more, the money will be complete.
Yes, ne? God will punish you. My God will punish you. You think you are smart now?
Come and collect the money now. My God, my Satan will punish you. He's got a shoemaker. You think you're smart? You carry your waist around, give it to everybody. You want me to be giving you money? Hello.
Your Majesty, the Council of Kingmakers still awaits the announcement on the traditional marriage of our prince. When is he coming home with the bride? Your Majesty, there's no time.
Oh no, Your Majesty, I'm well aware of all that. When we are done with the traditional marriage, then we proceed with the presentation immediately.
That's good, Your Majesty. But when exactly is the date?
Next week. I can confidently confirm to you that His Excellency the Governor has confirmed his attendance. Even the chairman of Ibeto Group, Omeka Naya, will be coming. I'm happy. Everything is moving as planned.
What did you kill yourself for? Shebi, Mama have told you not to be lying on this bed while you're sleeping.
What kind of a brother are you? Instead of coming to my aid, you're there laughing at me. How terrible!
Forgive me. I was coming from the backyard, okay, and then I heard you scream. The next thing, you're landing on the ground like a pack of cats. How were you even screaming?
I had a dream. A very bad one. Yes.
Yourself the dreamer. Keep dreaming. But all I will tell you is, stop lying on this bench while sleeping. Avoid Mama's problem. You know her now. You know her very, very well.
I think I will support Mama to cut this your hair. Because I believe that is what is making you not to think well.
I just came to tell you that you won't see the servant.
I don't need it.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be. Magaine we are na chia na churi jijio. I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be.
What happened? Why did the car stop?
I'm confused, Your Highness. I don't know why the car stopped. Give me a minute, let me check what's wrong with the car.
You have to be fast.
Okay, Your Highness.
So have you checked now?
Your Highness, still on it, sir.
What is wrong with the car?
I can't figure it out, Your Highness.
This is very frustrating. Huh? And it happened at the wrong time. I'm already late for my meeting. Don't you guys run check on the cars before driving out?
Your Highness, we only ran a check on all the cars last month.
Hey. This is just not the best time for this now. Alright, you know what you're going to do right now. Run back to the palace and get me another car. Be fast about it.
Your Highness, the only car available right now is the car meant for the guards. Because the Majesty went with the other one.
I do not care. Once the car is functioning, get me the car now.
Okay, but Your Highness, is it not risky leaving you here all alone? Because the king gave me an instruction that I should not...
go and fetch me the car.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hello? Hello? 1 minute. Hi. So I'm Prince.
I know you. You are Prince Henry, the heir to the throne of Ifite. I mean, who doesn't know you?
Oh, impressive. Okay, fine. You know me, but I do not know you.
My name is Akudo, daughter of Egesiono.
Lovely. Well, nice to meet you.
Thank you, my prince.
I must say, every disappointment is a blessing.
I'm sorry, my prince. I really have to be on my way now. My mother sent me on an errand, so I have to go.
Okay, I will stop you.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry.
Prince Henry, don't be derailed by what is before you. The engagement between you and Lydia will be in a few days. Please, don't get distracted, okay?
Come on, who's talking about distractions here? It looks like you weren't listening to me. Have I been talking to myself?
No, my dear. You know, your father will not take it lightly to this discussion. You know how important this marriage between you and Lydia is to this family. You have to be careful.
You see, I really cannot understand why I'm so drawn to this girl, Akudo. Yeah, that's her name. This girl has swept me off my feet completely.
See, my guy, you must tread carefully. I know why I'm saying all this.
Oh, come on. I'm not a kid. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm just,
Every man is like a kid when it concerns women. Big up, guy.
But you need to see this girl, my friend. This girl is... Damn. This girl is top notch.
I know.
Lydia, my daughter, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, please sit.
Thank you.
Have you been waiting for too long?
Not for so long, around 30 minutes.
30 whole minutes. And nobody told me my daughter-in-law is here. You see, honestly, I don't understand what all the staff are doing. They're all prowling the palace, doing nothing. I hope when you become the queen, you'll be able to put every one of them in their proper places.
Don't worry, Your Majesty. I am not complaining.
So, where is Henry?
I haven't seen him since I arrived.
Really? Because he should be keeping your company. Have you called him on the phone?
He has not been taking his calls. I don't know.
Where could he be? Well, you're welcome.
Thank you. You look good, Your Majesty.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jideki jie. Mane echifu kwana nonye gabweze.
Greetings, beauty. You see, I'm sorry if sending that kid to call you embarrassed you.
You don't have to apologize, my prince. But you would have come straight to my house instead of making my family think that I'm keeping a secret from them.
Well, I didn't know that. I was actually thinking, you know, giving you respect, at least for the first time, would be a good thing.
It's okay, my prince. You said you want to tell me something?
Oh yes. You see, my dear, you know, since that day I set my eyes on you, I haven't been myself. I've been lost completely. I haven't been thinking straight. So it wouldn't be a bad thing if we, you know, try to work out something together.
What did I hear? Hey, Akudo, please. Jesus. See, Akudo. This is the best news I've ever heard. In fact, this is the best story. See, Akudo, don't tell me you didn't give this man a straight answer. Because for me, this is a safe passage for us to change our lives. Yes!
What are you saying? Kachi, you will not understand. The prince is engaged to be married to another woman. And now he wants me? How? Honestly, I don't think he understands the consequences of his actions. I don't think so.
Akudo, this man is simply following his heart desires. Yes! See, Akudo, you deserve to be the next queen of Ifite Kingdom. And no one else. Akudo, simply encourage him in this engagement and accept his proposals. Please.
I wish your eyes could open to see. I wish. Especially the dangers ahead. I mean, I cannot. Kachi, leave me.
Akudo, my eyes will never see anything. All I am seeing here is goodies, wealth, riches. Yes! Akudo, please. This is a time for our family to move to the next level. Please. You're talking about engagement. How many girls in this village that has kept to their engagement? Prince Harry will not be the first. Please, my dear lovely sister, please.
Why won't you see goodies? Why won't you see wealth? Why am I even talking to you? Since you have refused to understand me. Maka.
Akudo, I am your brother and nothing will change that fact. In fact, as I am concerned, you will marry the prince. Akudo. See, Harry, this is wrong. How could you propose to another girl when you are engaged to another? This is selfishness. This is wickedness. I'm not in support of this.
You know, my friend, I know you will not understand even when I speak from now till eternity. Deep down, there is something about this girl, something spectacular about this girl that attracted me. It captured my heart. There's this innocent and aura that surrounds her. You will not understand. You won't.
See, forget this aura, this innocence. Did you know that this thing you are doing is capable of destroying your relationship between you and your parents? See, man, you need to rethink. Reconsider that now that it's not too late.
There is nothing to reconsider. I have made my conclusions and that's final. I cannot go back to what I've already agreed on. I'm getting used to that girl, my friend. I've gotten used to her already. You know, the only thing on my mind right now is to introduce her to my parents.
No. Harry, no. Did you know that your presentation is coming in a few weeks? Don't mess this up. Don't mess this up, man. Rethink, reconsider. It's still early. Now that it's still early, reconsider, man. Please.
I just said I cannot reconsider. Nothing to reconsider. Nothing, absolutely nothing to reconsider.
You mean you want to destroy everything, all the plans, just because of this, your so-called girl?
I'm so afraid, my prince. Maybe we should break this off. Because I do not want the wrath of your family to descend on mine.
Say that. Our love is irreplaceable. I do not care what people bring. My feelings is what matters to me.
I know, my love, but the journey will be long and gentle. The future is bleak, and only those that are strong-hearted might survive it.
The only thing I can see is true love. Our love is like a red rose. No amount of battle can separate me from my feelings. Storms shall rise, but our love shall blossom beyond the seas.
Aga m abụnụ ihe a sị na m ga-abụ. Agaghị m abụ n'ihe a chọrọ ka m bụrụ. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jide ka ijie. Mana echefukwana na onye ga-abụ eze ga-abụ eze. Echezokwala na onye ga-achị ọchịchị ga-achị ọchịchị. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied. Akara aka na-adị eme ya nhicha o. Eze si na chi. Chinemeze, Chinemeze, Eze si na chi. Ogaranya ngananga. Chinemeze, Chukwu nemeze, Eze si na chi. Ogaranya ngananga. Chinemeze, Chukwu nemeze, Eze si na chi. Chinemeze, Ogaranya ngananga. Chinemeze, Chukwu nemeze, Eze si na chi. What a man to be. Ogaranya ngananga. Chinemeze, Chukwu nemeze, Eze si na chi. Eze Chinemeze, Chukwu nemeze, Eze si na chi. Chinemeze.
How are you?
I'm okay, mother.
What happened to you? I tried calling you all day. You neither picked your call nor returned them. What happened?
I'm so sorry, Mother. You see, I left my phone inside the car. I didn't know it was ringing. Since I'm already on my way home, I thought there's no need to return the call. Please forgive me.
You're forgiven. Lydia was here all day. Did you forget you gave her an appointment? Son, I have told you, you must learn how to respect a lady.
That's true, Mother. That's true. But why didn't she call me? She didn't call me. I didn't know she was coming.
She has to obtain permission to visit her fiancé. Come on, son. By the way, what's going on with you? You look... Yes, you look tensed.
Oh,
what's going on?
Nothing, Mother. Nothing. Okay, I have to excuse myself right now. I will call her back and I will speak to her. Yes, speak to her.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, ne we all do na chia na churi jiji o. Ese na chi. Hai le 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 le. Chine meze. Oh, ese na chi. What I'm meant to be. Chine we all do. Chia na churi jiji. Na chi. Oh. Cause I will be what I'm meant to be. We all do. We all
Oh, look at my lovely parents. Let's come. Father, Mother, meet the woman I want to marry. Her name is Akudo. Akudo, meet my lovely parents.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, my queen.
What a beauty to behold.
Son, you made a wonderful job.
You can say that again, Mother.
Come, my daughter, let me see you.
Yes.
Let me touch you. Let me pat you on the back. That's good. How are you?
I'm fine. Your Highness, you're hurting me. Your Highness! Your Highness! Oh my God. It was a dream. A dream was. What does this mean? The king wanted to hurt me? What do I do?
What? Don't you ever dare to mention my name again in your mouth.
You know I've missed you so much.
Who? Saying he missed me. You missed me and you were treating me like an ordinary rag. Listen, you're nothing but a big joke. A big one. Stop calling my name.
Okay, hold on. See, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. See, you know I love you so much and I have missed you.
See, let me tell you the truth. From now henceforth, I will not be treating you bad again. I won't even treat you like a piece of shit. I'm going to treat you like a queen that you are. Hooray, baby. I'm serious now. Hooray. Baby. Can't you?
Leave me alone, Lo. I'm not joking. Leave me alone.
Come on, baby. Please now. My man.
Leave me.
Let's go.
Leave me. You know how to make someone angry. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
What I'm meant to be. What I'm meant to be.
I should be my prince. I mean, this is not a good idea.
Come on, don't be worried. Okay? My parents loves me, and I know they will love you too. You don't need to be scared.
They already made a choice for you. Why bringing me into the picture? Please, I do not want to be a problem to anybody.
How did you know they chose someone for me already?
You won't understand, my prince. But the truth is that I'm not comfortable. I feel like I'm walking into a trap filled with gunpowder. Please.
Well, my love, you don't have to worry about that. Okay? Trust me. Nothing is going to happen. The first day I set my eyes on you, you have no idea what you did to me. I cannot let you go. Same thing with my parents. Please, come with me. Don't be scared. Okay? I got you. Come.
Agamabunu iya sinamgabu. Agai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry. Jideki jie.
Mom. Dad, very sorry for keeping you both waiting.
Well, since you called and said you wanted us to wait for you there. So what news?
Just have to sit. Okay. So, Father, I am well pleased to introduce to you my new friend. Akudo is her name. Mother Akudo has won my heart. She is that woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You know what? You go crazy? I wonder.
And you go digging fool. What makes you think you can fit into this royal family?
Come on, Mother, you don't talk to my guests like that.
Cosmo is not wanted in this palace. How could you be this gullible?
But I do not like that. Do not like what you just did. Mom!
Come here! Come here! Stop right there! Henry, why are you so daft? Henry, why would you disrespect your father and I the way you did? Are you completely out of your mind? What happened to the girl we chose for you?
I do not like her.
Wait.
You both never gave me a chance to choose the woman I want. Akudo is the woman I want, Mother.
Shut up! Shut your mouth. Have you completely gone insane?
Mother, trust me. I know what I'm doing.
No. You don't know anything you're doing. You have gone crazy. We sent you to the best schools money can afford. And you think you can drag the name of this family in the mud by choosing that trash instead of the girl we chose for you? I think you're under a spell.
Mother, you don't refer to her like that.
Shut up. She is trash. Henry, I raised you well because you're my only child. We raised you as royalty. You must stick to the path set for you as royalty. That girl is a nobody. She doesn't have a surname. Lydia will make a better queen.
Akudo will also make a better queen if given a chance.
Nobody is giving her any chance.
Mom, we have to give her a chance.
Shut up! Listen, tell her to stay away from this family. Else, hell will be let loose. I am not playing.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, we are the Nachia, Nachuri, Gigio. Chinemese. Oh, I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, we are the
What is it? Mama, what is it?
Mama, you should have seen how I was treated. Mama, I was treated like a leper. I was treated like I'm nobody. The king and the queen did not take it lightly with me at all. I didn't do anything to them. At some point, the prince was trying to calm my nerves. But it was not easy for me, Mama. Although I had this strange feeling before entering into that compound.
It's alright, stop crying. But Akudo, if you ask me, if you want me to advise you, I should say you should break up with that boy. Yes.
Mama, how can you ever say such a thing? How can you?
The way you're crying now.
Mama, I will not do a thing like that. I cannot leave the prince. I mean, I believe so much in my heart that there is something fate has in stock for me in that palace. But the problem is that I can't seem to place my hands on it. I can't. His Majesty.
What about him? Eh? What about him?
Nothing. Nothing, Mama. It's fine.
How is work going at the hospital? I thought you were on afternoon shift.
That's correct, Your Majesty. But you didn't sound convincing over the phone, so I had to break some protocols just to come see you. I was worried.
Thank you. That's so nice. But truly it is nothing. I just wanted to know the last time you spoke with Henry.
Henry? Why do you ask, Mother? Where is Henry? Is Henry missing?
No! Please don't misunderstand me. You know, time is compelling us to hurry up. Your traditional marriage is around the corner. I need to speak with him. You two need to have a word with him.
We were okay at first. But all of a sudden, he stopped taking my calls and he wouldn't even return my text messages. But why do you ask all of these questions? Did he tell you why he has been acting strange? Or did I offend him in any way?
Oh, no, please, no. You know, as a mother, I'm just concerned and troubled. He's fine, everything is fine.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, by the way, pardon my manners. Let me get a maiden to get you another seat and a cold drink. Okay?
Not to worry, Your Majesty. I have to hurry back to the hospital. You know, I came here hurriedly just to see you, and I don't want anyone else to find out I'm missing from my duties.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll see you.
Alright. Bye.
Agamabono iya sinamgabo Akai mabuni ya choro kambo
Akudo! Kachi! Akudo! Mama! Where is Your Majesty?
Your Majesty. I said come. I keep wondering what my son saw in you. Are you not aware he is engaged to someone else?
Your Majesty, my sister should not be blamed. The prince saw her and fell in love with her. Why is everybody blaming her?
Shut your mouth! You shouldn't be talking when His Majesty is talking. Shut up!
I see who is talking. You dare me? Talk when I'm talking. I think you will be taught the dance steps of the spirit. Boys,
Please don't do that to us, please.
teach this lover what we do to idiots.
Please show Your Majesty.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Please, I beg you! My son! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! I beg you, please! I'm begging you, please! Please!
It has deliberately begun. We have done the needful. But in the future, I see your dynasty crumbling. Except you take the giant leap before it is too late.
And what must I do?
Make haste and find the one with the eagle tattoo.
Looking up a little. How could this be? After all these years.
Ever since you left your house, you've not said a word. You've remained silent. What is it that is bothering you?
Oh no. You see, one cannot tell all that is in a man's heart.
She's not still said anything. What is it that is bothering you?
Oh no. I wish to take my place as the king of Ifite Kingdom. Why are you laughing? What's so funny in what I said?
I'm sorry that I had to laugh. It's the way you said it. You and I know that a broke man has no business with good food. I mean, you are far from the throne of Ifite Kingdom. In my own suggestion, I think you should erase such thought from your heart.
What? I should erase such thought? No! Oh no, no! Oh no, let me tell you, my family is from a royal lineage. Yes! Go and ask questions! We are not arguing that.
Then what are you saying? Listen, the present king does not deserve the throne. Do you know what you stand to gain as my friend?
I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, ne we all do na chia na chiri yo. Sinachi. Hai le 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 le. Chine mese. Oh, sinachi. What I'm meant to be. Hey, ne we all do na chia na chiri.
Where is this place? We've been walking for hours. What's happening?
Are you afraid? Don't you want to be king anymore?
I want to be king. But you still don't want to tell me where we are going to. Even if I'm going to be sold, tell me. Give me an explanation.
If everybody helps to hold the sky, no one should be tired of holding. We're almost at our destination. Let's go.
Welcome, son of Abanze, the great lion of Ifite.
She knows my father.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. I know why you are here.
You know?
No matter how long a log stays in the water, it can never become a crocodile. Are you ready to become that which you desire?
Yes, I am ready. I am ready.
Wise one, my friend is ready. He's ready to do anything.
Son of Abanze, now you are ready. But for you to be king, a hippopotamus must be made invisible in dark water. Take your place among kings of Ifite. Do not forget my instructions. For your dynasty to continue, you must find the child with the eagle tattoo. That child will be your downfall.
Wise one, where and how can I find this child?
Like I always say, it is better not to know too many things than to know too many things that are not so.
Wise one, you speak in parables. You are lost.
Go home, my king.
Wise one, after all these years, this child has grown into a beautiful woman. And now my son wants to take her as his wife.
You disobeyed my warning. And I knew this day will come. That was why I kept warning you to do the needful and return your dynasty.
Many people gave birth at that time. Remember, all lizards lie on their stomach, and it is difficult to spot the one with stomach ache. Wise one, tell me, what do I do?
My warning still stands. She will be your doom.
Mama, this water is very hot.
I know, and it's paining my hand. But I've told you sorry. Pikachi, I didn't send you to go and run your mouth like that. I don't know why you like disgracing me. I've warned you, when elders are having honest discussion, stay away from it. Don't interfere.
But Mama, you know that discussion was never honest. I was only protecting my sister.
Dike. If we're going to
But why do you always side our enemies?
Shut your mouth. Who are your enemies? What do you even know? Stop meddling in people's affairs. Stop meddling. Okay, how about if I was the one flogged? Okay, I was thrown into the palace cell. What would have happened now?
Mama.
Me as an old man, would I have survived that flogging?
Mama, nobody will arrest us. I stand to protect Akudo any day, anytime. In fact, I will protect our family. All of you.
You were busy shouting all over the place. You couldn't protect yourself.
Mama, you know they took me on our way.
When they will flog us, they will tell you, they will inform you.
Hi, Mama, easy now. Hi. Mama.
What? Learn to use your mouth wisely. Learn to use it.
Mama, but my back still hurts now.
Where's my prince?
He actually went inside to get something. Who are you, please?
Never mind.
Someone came here.
Okay. Alright.
My prince. Sorry, someone came here looking for you.
Looking for me?
Yes.
Did he tell you what his name is?
No, it was actually a woman. A lady.
A lady?
Yes. Though she didn't tell me what her intentions were. She's gone.
Okay. She didn't say anything, the reason for looking for me?
I even tried to find out why she was looking for you. She said I shouldn't mind, and then she left.
How can a lady be asking of me? Well, we just have to be careful because there are so many wary people around. Alright. You okay? Okay. Alright.
Okay. I was very ashamed today when I saw Lydia's mother. I was hoping that the ground could just open and swallow me up. Why? Isn't it obvious we have lost control of our son? We got him a beautiful girl, but he prefers a low life.
Don't worry. I think we have given him so much. He has become so comfortable and has forgotten all our sacrifices for him.
My king, I don't even understand you. You have not really taken a stand on this particular issue. I was expecting you would, by now, hold his ears and teach him a lesson as a father.
Yes, man. Relax. I have my plans worked out. Relax. Let's catch some sleep, baby.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akayi mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry. Jideki jie Mane echifu kwana no enye gabu eze.
Father, I need an explanation. What is your intention of locking me out of my office without my consent?
I only needed to gain your attention because I barely see you these days. I am still the chairman of Board of Trustees. Besides, I've set a date for our first visit to Lydia's parents.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I do not want Lydia.
She's the one who wishes for you. Oh yes, I am a lion. I am still a lion, and I expect you to act as one.
Well, unfortunately, I will act like sheep this time. Akudo is the one for me. She's the one my heart beats for. No one else.
Because you have completely gone insane. Oh yes. I do not know you anymore. That girl you crave for, it's nobody. She is a loafer. You are royalty. In a matter of days, you'll be named officially as the heir of Ikite, my son.
You beat me. You caught me so deep, Father.
No one dare to turn his back on me, son.
Are we not calling you Akudo? Eh? Akudo. So we can see the future. And you can actually tell the future. So why don't you start by telling us what our future is? Tell us our future, what it looks like. How does it work? Tell us. Now that I have your attention, Madam, can you start by telling me what my future look like?
If you insist, then I'll tell you. In a few months from now, you will get pregnant and bring shame to your entire family.
I daughter.
The heartbreak will cause the death of your mother.
Eh? I daughter.
Do you still want to know about your future?
No thanks. Thank you.
No, it's funny the way she was saying you your betrayer. The way she was nothing but a bloody betrayer. What is making you laugh? What are you laughing? I wasn't laughing. The way she said you're going to get pregnant, it's as if you're going to drink water today and get pregnant. It is you she was talking to, not me. Why are you angry? Because I rejected it immediately. Oh, sorry, now they're angry.
But I will not take it. I will not take it.
Henry, stop this minute. I am your father and the king.
Your Majesty, please, don't do it. Please.
I am not afraid of you.
One more step, I wish you.
Do your worst, father.
Don't talk to your father.
Who do we have here? Ada, remember we do it together. Absolute majesty. I don't know that some people have always wished to be the queen of Ekiti. And all this while, you have been deceiving us with this your vision of a thing. Yes, sir. With our fake vision. In few months' time, I saw through you. I knew you were lying. You were not seeing anything. Yes! Akudo. So you did not see the gap between you and Prince Henry. You said you are a seer, but you couldn't see the gap, the spiritual and the physical gap between you and the young man. Well, he saw it. That was why he couldn't take it to the palace. You see yourself? If we're gonna again.
Honestly, I do not have time for you busybodies. Because if in truth that you have something reasonable to do with your useless lives, you wouldn't be parading around bushes, looking for stories to send across the village. I don't have your time. I honestly don't.
She just called you a gossip. Ada, I heard it. Hey! Did you just call me a gossip? And you, after calling me a gossip, you still wanted to pass? Go where? To where? Akudo, go where? To where? Akudo! Get out of my way! For what? Get out! Something wrong with you. Akudo!
Hey, to move!
Move at the door. Move outside.
Now move it!
Yeah.
Hey! Put him inside the boot! Inside the boot!
Oh no, my brother must be in trouble. No.
Where are these maidens? Where are all these maidens now? Go to my room, pack all my dirty linen, and take it to the laundry, okay? Alright.
Father! Father! Mom.
Son?
Where is father?
He's not around. He went for a meeting at the capital. What's going on? You look disturbed. What is it?
Everything is wrong, mother. Father has so much to explain to me. Something is wrong somewhere, and you are part of it.
Don't you ever point those sausages at me. Henry, what's your problem? You were well raised. Why are you acting differently? Listen, Henry. Please, marry the girl we chose for you. Livia is a better girl. Please.
I have told you this times without number. I do not want Lydia. Akudo is a woman I love. Is it hard for you to understand?
I forbid you from mentioning that girl's name in my presence.
Where is her brother? Where is Akudo's brother? I will raise down this house. Where is Akudo's brother? Even if it's last thing I will do, I'll find him. Nothing. What nonsense?
My life is a question, and my love life, and my destiny. And we're my juju. Onyega kawa kamiri siwe bana koibo abo amo. I wanna be free. I want to see life. Yes, I wanna be free. Kambi zenu amo. I wanna be free. I wanna see life. Obi mu dere do. Yegadima.
These years will not bring him back. If it's you they took her son, what will you do? Stop crying, stop
Mama,
crying.
can you
cry,
stop?
but still stop crying, please.
Mama, can you stop? Please stop crying. Why are you crying like someone without faith? I have told you, Kachi is alive wherever he is, and he will definitely come back to us sooner than you think. Stop crying.
When will that soon be soon? This sooner than you think. When is that soon going to be soon? He's gone for the past 3 days now. No word from you, nothing, no anything. Why don't you use your power to search if you can see where they're taking him to?
Mama, listen. It doesn't work like that.
And I can Mama
please, can you calm down and stop this? Stop crying. When you get sick now, it won't change anything. It won't change anything at all. Goes.
I don't even know whether they feed him. When you know how well he loves food. But no food, no life. That bring him more, do something and bring him back. Oh, God, bring him back.
Mama, if you fall sick, it will not change anything. I keep telling you. Kachi is fine. He will come back. Sure. Most definitely.
Mama, Kachi.
It's enough. He will come back. If you fall sick now, it wouldn't change anything. It won't change anything.
Your Majesty. Time is fast approaching. I was of the impression that by now you would have invited me to accompany you and the prince for the marriage traditions. What is happening?
Oh no. What has been eating the pudding at night has continued to eat it till this very moment. Prince rejected the bride, chosen for him for another, thereby setting us backward.
Why would he do that? By the way, who is this new girl? Do I by any means know her?
Oh no, I do not care about her. Just assemble the kingsmakers. Inform them on the situation we have at hand. Why the ceremony cannot hold as stipulated.
Your Majesty, that will be very difficult. Anyway, I will try my best. But that will mean that the date for the presentation ceremony will be changed. And of course, it's going to affect our reputation because we are known for being reliable when it comes to dates.
You are a good friend. I can rely on you. So help me do that.
Try my best.
have refused to tell me the reason you are shivering. What is wrong with you? No, come on, you come here. I'm not going to your meeting. Uremma, am I not talking to you? So it has finally happened. The result of all the night you sneaked out in the name of night is a jail. You are finally pregnant. Mama,
what are you talking about? Me? Pregnant? I said, how can I be pregnant? Besides, how can you tell if someone is pregnant? Someone cannot even have fever around you in peace. So someone cannot be sick in peace around you. You are so troublesome. Mama, stop this thing.
Wait.
My sickness.
Did you say you are not pregnant?
I'm not pregnant.
You are not pregnant, Uremma. No! Go Biati, tell Biati that you are not pregnant. What Biati needs that you are not pregnant in our column. Come and take me to the house of that man that put you in. You know that man that put you in a family way. Come and take me to his house. Get the you don't want me to worship God. Now, it's smoke that I want to put. The problem I want to put between you and God is our female. Take me out of this house. Let me try again. No. I'm worshiping God. Are you telling me please? When you were walking up and down, you didn't remember? You tell me please. I think it again.
Wait for me outside.
Of course.
Eat your food. I said you should eat your food.
I heard you the first time.
So you have to eat your food. Because you may not be opportune to eat again after this time. So take my advice. Stagger. Boss. Watch over him. Soon as he's done eating, tie him up.
I'm gone.
You want to rule alone, I want to live alone. Anywhere you go, people must know. Mama, ibiri kambirio. You chop, I chop, oh. If you nani gadima, oh. Yo, Ibiri, no. Live, just live in one, Ibiri, no. Let us live in peace, Ibiri. Unity, harmony is the key. Let me live, oh, and enjoy my life, oh. My time will one day.
What is his name? Tell me his name. Huh? Eze, in the shop. Eze! Are you sure his name is Eze? Because nobody is answering me. Lord. Eze is his name. Eze! Did you say Eze? Eze!
I want to break this gate early this month.
No. Anyway, are you the Eze?
No, I'm not Eze.
Mama, you are not Eze. Please, we are looking for Eze.
Eze is not around at the moment.
Please, where did he go to? Where did he go? Just be looking at me. Where did he go to? And when is he coming back? Because he's very, very important.
That one I don't know. All I know is that Eze traveled to Ibudo Ibo with his wife immediately after the wedding.
You think you should die and leave me? Come! Oh, so the man that even got too pregnant, go married to another woman.
Yeah, manager, I can hear you. Yes, I've been trying to reach you. Oh, okay, it's okay. You see, I've been trying to gain access to my account and it's not working. I can't even make transfers. What's going on? What? My father has no right to freeze my account. No, you don't tell me that. My father has no right to do that. Now unfreeze my account or you meet me in court. I said unfreeze. Father.
Now listen. Remember my orders. The girl must be brought to me immediately. Don't want to hear stories.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, what if we encounter any disturbance from an unlikely quarters? We need to be on the know in case there is anything.
I am the king of this kingdom. Now listen. The only solution to life is death. Nothing. No one stands on my way.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that. Ebiri tu ara tu nuwe, onye bu anamwa, live a live oh, ferora. Sara kwaririmo urapu go kwanu mmanya o uwamo apụgokwanụ m n'anya onye ka m ga-akọsara no onye ka m ga-ebesara akwa rere mbọ.
Mama. What is wrong? Somebody help me, please! Please, who is around? Help me! Mama, what is wrong with you?
Mama came to look for you.
What?
Someone came to look for you.
And, Mama, listen, I have to take you to the hospital right now. Somebody should help me, please!
Listen to me.
Mama, what is it that you're talking about?
Listen to me.
I am listening.
I should have told you long before now.
What is it, Mama? This is not the time for this. I mean, you need to go to the hospital. You need medical attention, please.
But your mother.
Mom.
Yes.
What did you just say? You're not... Mama, listen. You are my mother. Ever since I've started living in this place, I've known you as my mother. You are my mother, no one else. Don't tell me that. Mama, listen, this is not time for this. Please, let's go to the hospital. Let me take you. Let's go, please. Mama.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be. Makene we all na chiana churu ijijio. I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, ne we all do na chiana churu ijijio. Esesinachi. Hai la chinemeze. Oh, esesinachi.
Is that not a baby's cry? I thought I heard the cry of a baby.
Cause I will be what I'm meant to be. We all do. We all
What happened? Let me help you. Else you'll lose lots of blood. Let me help you.
You have to raise this baby as your own. Please, don't let them take her away from you.
Hi.
Give your hand. Give her this when she comes of age. She bears the symbol.
My God. Oh, I need to help you. I need to help you.
Agamabunu iya sinamgabu. Agai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry. Jide kijie. Mane echi fukwana no eze ga-abụ eze. Echezokwala na onye ga-achị ọchịchị. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied. Akara aka na adịghị.
This is fruitless. Hey! Hey! Someone just tell me what I will tell the boss, please.
We'll tell him what he wants to hear now. Yes, we'll tell him the whole family are dead.
What are you talking about? And you think he's gonna buy that story? He will. All he wants is that kingship. And he's not going to tell us to bring the cops. That's a stupid question to even ask.
In fact, is there any other thing he needs again? Let's just go and get our balance from boss and get out of his life.
Simple.
Yes.
Let's go. You think this is a good idea? Stay good idea. Let's go. Stay good.
Mama, what is this?
Okay, wait.
What?
Takachi, I love him.
Mama, please don't die on me. Don't die on me. Don't do this to me now. What are you saying?
You should not argue.
Mama!
Help me.
Mama, please. I have to take you to the hospital now. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying. Mama, please come. Mama, nothing will happen to you, please. I have to take you to the hospital. You will not die on me.
Smile.
You will not die on me. Don't tell me that, Mama.
You're a gifted princess.
Alright. Mama, okay, fine. I'll take you. Mama! Hey! Mama, please don't do this to me. No. Don't do this to me. Mama! Hey!
You guys know the reason we're here. We're going to get the girl alive. And no stone should be left unturned. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, boss.
Why are we sure she's here? I mean, we have been here before. Let's go cover other grounds. She must have friends or playmates.
Shut up! Have you forgotten someone already told us she has returned? Her mother's corpse will delay her. There's no time. Ogadero, guys. Come on, let's go.
Onye kam ga kosarano, onye kam ge besara kwa ririmo. Ura pugo kwanu
Prince, my brother is dead. What? My brother is dead. Let's go.
We'll leave here. Alright, it's not safe. Okay, stop crying.
My friend. See the way you're looking. Sit down. You're glowing. Hey! Pregnancy is good.
so fine. My friend, this pregnancy really fits you.
What kind of nonsense talk is that? What is that supposed to mean? Huh?
Now I can see that Akudo can really see future. Yes, she saw yours and is very, very right. But thank God though, she didn't see my own future. If not, maybe by now.
What are you trying to insinuate now? What's your point?
There's no point. What I'm trying to say is that I'm happy for you. And I'm so happy you're making your family so proud. Hey!
I see. So Ada, the reason you came to my house is to mock me up here. No. You actually came to mock me. Yeah, Ada?
I am not mocking you.
You that I thought is my friend.
But we are friends. Wait, Ado, can't I joke with you anymore? Are we no longer friends?
Joke,
I can see this your pregnancy is really itching you.
Why you are failing Biafo? Yes. Why need Biafo? No, why to torture Libya? There is no girl in this world that will not get pregnant. You will soon carry your own, and we'll see how you will carry it. Yes, I am not going. I will see it.
I am not ready to get pregnant, Uri. If a man comes, fine. But for now, I don't care. I came to tell you something very, very serious. Akudo just lost her mom. Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
What happened to her? How? What happened?
I don't know. Nobody knows at all. They just saw her lying down dead inside her compound.
What of Akudo?
That one. For where? Nowhere to be found. But I heard that Akudo's mother's body has been deposited in the mortuary.
That's right.
That's what I heard. This, my friend, this your pregnancy really fits you. I am suspecting you're going to give birth to twins. Twins!
Ada.
Hey, my friend.
It is you, your generation, and your unborn generation that will give birth to twins. What did I do wrong? You cannot mock me, Ada. You cannot come to my father's house and mock me.
I'm not mocking you. I'm just telling you. I thought we are friends.
Come. I've had enough. Can you start going? Can I start going?
Ure, I should leave your house.
Can I start going?
I should leave your house.
I said,
no problem. No. Don't worry, I will go. Don't come running to me. Don't come running to me when you have issues. I should leave your house.
Because your problems.
No problem.
No, you are my helper.
I'm not your helper.
Because Nabage, get out from here.
I came to you as a child.
Go!
I'm going.
I will not
carry your pregnancy.
I will never look for you, my
Yes,
friend.
I've heard.
Even if you are my savior, I would rather die than come to you for help. You are here to mock me. Come on, get out and go forever. Bye bye.
My prince, what you are asking me to is very risky. What if the king finds out? You know the consequence.
No, the king will not find out. I promise. I cross my heart, the king will not find out. All I ask is for her to stay here for some time. That's all.
The same thing. You know people can talk. People can talk.
Please. You can't possibly do this to me. She won't be here for long. Please do this for me. I'm very sure.
Only 2 days.
Sure. 2 days is enough to come and take her. 2 days is okay. Please. Thank you. You have to stay here for some time, alright? Like you said, 2 days. I'll be back for you. I'll raise money and we'll move to the city.
Are you sure you're going to come back?
Of course, I will come back.
Promise me.
Of course. Alright? I'll come back for you. Alright, be strong. Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
I wanna be free. I want to see life. Yes, I wanna be free. Come be zenu among. I wanna be free. I wanna see life. Obi mu dere do. Iye gadima. Iye gadima. Iye gadima. Iye gadima. Iye gadima. Kambe zino.
Father, you have to tell me what is going on.
I'm your father. I don't have to tell you anything.
No, you have to tell me. You have to tell me why you're frustrating my life.
Son,
there are so many secrets in your closet that is even bigger than the throne of Ifite.
Son, it is the duty of every parent to make sure their children are comfortable. And that's exactly what I have done for you. In the next 2 days, you'll be presented to the Imobi, the kingmakers, as the next heir. And thereby paving way for you, emergence as the next king of Ifite.
You lie. I'm not listening to what you're saying. One bit.
Boys, I can see you are fresh enough.
Now I get it. So you've been the one responsible for Akudo's misfortunes. When did you start employing the services of thugs, father? When?
These boys you call dogs will just bundle you now to Lydia's home for the traditional marriage which is taking place now.
I can never get married to Lydia. Akudo is the woman I want to marry. And that's final. You cannot stop me, father. Ask my father. He will tell you that I'm a low-key madman. If you don't leave my way this minute, you'll be a dead man.
I am the lion. I'm still a lion. You must learn to obey my orders. Guard! Guard!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and bring Ono for me immediately.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Son, go upstairs and freshen up.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that.
Son, you are ready. Come on, cheer up. Put up a smiling face. It's an omen for you to be angry on the day of your marriage. Come on.
Why are you doing this?
All for you. You see, as soon as you get married to Lydia, the formal presentation takes place and you're on your way to becoming the next king of Ifite. And thereby preserving our future.
You can force the horse to the stream, but you can never force the horse to drink water.
Son, do not underestimate your father. I can not only take the horse to the stream, but I will make sure I drown the horse in the stream. Come on, boys. We don't have time. What are we still waiting for? Let's go.
You want to rule alone. I want to live alone. Anywhere you go, people must know. Mana ibiri kambirio. You chop, I chop. If you na ni gadima. Yo. Kaibiri no. Live a live. Kaibiri. Let us live in one. No. Let us live in peace. Unity and harmony is that. No. Let me live and enjoy my life. My life on one day. One Africa.
Please, you have to untie me. I really need to ease myself, please.
You are allowed to ease yourself just once a day.
Look, deep down inside me, I know you're a nice person. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, you know ever since I got to this place, I've been of good behavior. I beg you, please. Just untie me, I need to ease myself.
She'll untie you. I will untie you just for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Thank you very much.
And after which, can you tell me?
You want to rule alone. I want to live alone. Anywhere you go, people must know. Mana ibiri kambirio. You chop, I chop.
Why everywhere? What is going on? Nothing is happening out there.
Your Majesty, please, Biko, calm down, calm down. You see, that was why I called you inside. We cannot be discussing the presence of your entourage people that are outside there. I'm even surprised. I'm honestly surprised of when they told me that you are at the gate with your entourage, want you to see me. So that's why I said, let us come inside and discuss this matter, please. You know, I have a great respect for you as the king of my community.
Mr. Attorney General, you have ended up not making any sense. What is happening?
Your Majesty, Lydia is my daughter.
Who already accepted to be my daughter-in-law. I mean, so what is happening?
Oh, Your Majesty, there is a misinformation here. My daughter told me in confidence that she has already rejected your son's proposal.
Nonsense!
What?
Nonsense!
She told me so, Your Majesty.
It's not possible. She has already been chosen by the Queen. I mean, nonsense!
Your Majesty, calm down.
Don't tell me that nonsense.
Your Majesty.
No, don't tell me that.
Your Majesty.
I said don't tell me that. I know it is the hands of my son.
Calm down.
Guards! Get me that boy. Get me this boy.
Your Majesty, please don't just go like that, please.
Mama. 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 now that I have your attention, madam, can you start by telling me what my future look like?
If you insist, then I'll tell you. In a few months from now, you will get pregnant and bring shame to your entire family. The heartbreak will cause the death of your mother.
No! Mama! Please. Please to me because you forgive me. That's what it is to me, Mama, because Mama, I know I love you. Please, don't do this to me, Mama. Help! Help me! Help! Mama, what I do without you, Mama? Hey! Mama! Mama! Mama!
My life is a question, and my love life, and my destiny. And where am I to do? Onyega kawa kamiri siwe bana koibo abo amo. I wanna be free. I want to see life. Yes, I wanna be free.
Why is she living almost immediately taking her bath?
Obimu dere du iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima kambebe zino
Eagle symbol looks exactly like the one on my hand. Oh mine! These are all signs. But signs to what? Oh my, confused.
I want to ease myself. Okay, can you pull over so I ease myself? I just said I want to ease myself. Can you pull over so I can ease myself?
You have to be quiet. This place is not your palace, so you mind the way you talk, else.
Have you forgotten that I'm the prince of this kingdom? I command you, pull over so the prince can ease himself.
Now listen to me. Your father has instructed me not to stop this car until I bring you down to the palace. When you get to the palace, you can do whatsoever you want to do. But for now, do not disturb me.
I am not disputing the fact that you're trying to obey instructions, but I need to ease myself. Or do you want me to disgrace myself by being here? I won't take time.
Kodo,
Shebi, you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that.
Can you just step back? Do you want to stay here and I'll pee? So you don't have respect.
Shit! Go. What are you trying to do? You want to shoot the prince? Shut up! Back the car very well! Back the car very well!
Your Majesty, see, you don't need to get yourself worked up because of this. Huh? Before you know it, they'll be here. Well, if they be here, their duty is to escort the prince from the palace. That's all. Up till now, they've not been here. When do you think they will be here? Your Majesty, in no distant time, they will be here. Huh? Don't work yourself up. Okay, why don't you just try calling them again? Calling them, but it's not connecting. Try again, it could be network. Try again.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, there's a little problem now. The prince escaped.
What? I entrusted my son in your care, and you're telling me this nonsense?
Your Majesty, it's not what you think. The prince made me understand that he wants to ease himself, and I allowed him, only for the prince to hit my men, and took to his heels.
Both of you are fools. You are fit for the trash bin. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, just give me some time, I will find him. I am still in search of him.
Now listen, before sunset, if I do not see my son, you will regret ever working with me.
It's okay, Your Majesty, fine.
Majesty, what is it?
What are you doing here? You meant to be in Ndika's house.
It's really complicated. My prince, what about you? What are you doing in the middle of nowhere? I waited for you, but you disappointed me by not coming back.
It's a long story. I've been through a lot since today. Okay? It's as if the whole world is turning against me.
What do you mean by the whole world is turning against you? Eh?
My love, we have to leave here right now. Here is not safe. Please.
Wait. What about my brother? Were you able to set him free?
No. I searched everywhere in the palace. He's not there. But I promise you he's safe. Okay? We'll keep searching. We'll find him. But we need to leave, please.
Hold on. There is something I must show you. I was led to this place with what my mother told me. My foster mother. It means that only the people from the royal family bears this mark.
Wait, I'm confused. Does it mean that you're a princess?
How am I supposed to know? I mean, who should we ask? Listen, my prince. You have to leave here. You have to go back to the palace. I am sure by now your father must be looking for you. And he might have placed a bounty on your head. Please, go. Let's just leave here and never return.
Do not worry about that, alright? This is more important to me right now. We need to stay back and solve this puzzle.
Then how do we do that? We don't have a clue. Listen, my prince, you have to go. And I need you to help me find my brother. It's very important to me.
Your brother is fine. I have faith that your brother is fine. Trust me. No, don't worry. Listen to me. Your brother is fine. Trust me. Okay? First, we need to find answer to this.
But how? How do we do that? How?
Okay, let's leave this place. I have a solution.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense?
Your Majesty, what happened? You're back so soon. Did you forget anything?
Forget what? Your son wants to bring shame to this family. But I'll surely stand with him before he ever succeeds.
Your Majesty, please, just calm down.
After all I did for him, what is all this nonsense for?
Calm down and tell me what happened. Where is Lydia? Or didn't the ceremony take place?
What ceremony? It's all over. Your son has finally got what he bargained for. And besides, he's nowhere to be found. Lydia has turned down the proposals. But I'll show him that I am the lion, and I'm still the lion that I am. Anyway, I've instructed the guards to grab Henry anytime he enters his compound.
This is so strange and confusing. It cannot be.
What cannot be? No, what cannot be, you know? You are the most trusted of my father's cabinet members. And above all, you are well grounded in this land. You should know the meaning of this mark.
Yes.
What does it mean?
There must be a mix-up somewhere.
Okay.
You see, we thought King Odika I and all his family members were dead. His only daughter was the only one bearing the royal mark. One given to those born to the royals. So this is strange.
Wait, please. Please tell us. We are so confused. I only got to find out about my birth today. And all along, I've been seeing a woman with a child. Always. I mean, now it's beginning to make sense to me. Please, explain.
Just hold on. I'm coming to that. Oh no. Are you trying to say that this mark is a mark of royalty?
Yes.
So why don't I have the same mark? Or am I not royalty too?
Of course you are.
Yes. You are supposed to have the mark.
So what happened?
You see, your father's ascendance to the throne was full of mystery. In fact, so many things happened at that time. As soon as the news filtered out that King Odika and the family were all dead, the hunt for the successor began. And traditionally, your father was among the contenders, being a brother to the late king.
Wait.
Being a brother to the late king.
Wait, please. I want to really understand. Are you trying to say that the king is my uncle? What? Please, no, go ahead. We are listening.
All the successors started to disappear one after the other. In fact, at a point, some of them dropped their ambition of becoming the king.
Leaving my father as the only contender to the throne. Go on, I want to understand something. Then what happened?
Your father was finally presented before the Council of Kingmakers.
Okay.
But without the offer. That was why you were not given the mark.
Oh my. This is serious. Oh no, please. What about my parents? No one found out about what happened to them? I mean, someone should be held responsible for that.
It was spoken in whispers and behind the walls for fear of abduction.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jideki jie. Mane echifukwana n'onye ga-abụ eze. Echezokwala n'onye ga-achị ọchịchị. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied. Akara aka na-adị eme ya nhicha o. Eze si na chi.
A bunch of prison vagabonds, incompetent fools. Nincompoop! All these models are just mere decoration. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, I am sorry we lost him in the bush. Like I told you, he took us unaware. He took my men and I unaware. Hit down one of my men and took to his heels.
Silence! By dawn, I did not see my son.
Your Majesty.
Who does interrupt me?
Apologies, Your Majesty. But I have good news for you, sir. I brought news of the whereabouts of the Prince, Your Majesty.
What did I just hear you say?
Yes, Your Majesty. I got the news from a very reliable source and the present location of the Prince, Your Majesty.
You may just come.
Listen, we have to leave here, and very fast. Your father and his henchmen will be here any moment from now.
Yeah, that's true. Uncle, please, thank you very much for the revelation. We appreciate it.
May God be with you. Thank you. God will guide you.
Do not come close. One bit. Or no. Now I see. You are the snitch that has been grooming my son, turning him against me. I know I will still come back to that. Son, you have decided to disobey me. I gave you the whole world. What do I get in return? Betrayal.
Kele.
I said, do not come 1 inch.
Please, let go.
Hey! Now, nothing is holding you from becoming the king of the kingdom.
You can say that again. You are very correct, my brother.
Well, I'm looking forward to the Ofala. And when we shall take charge of the affairs of this kingdom, but do not forget, we shall trade with caution.
Very correct. Sorry, my dear friend. I am not leaving any witness.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that.
Good day, sir. Are you well now?
I'm getting better. Please, where am I?
My dad saw you in the bush when you were struggling with a pool of blood in your head. So he brought you up. And ever since then, he has been taking care of you. How are you feeling now?
I'm getting better. Thank you. So, where's your dad?
Yeah, he went out for one thing, but he'll be back very soon.
Okay.
Sorry.
Please, can you get me water?
Okay, no problem.
They thought by killing me, you cover all our secrets with my death. I knew all along that you were a very selfish man. And when I regained consciousness, I knew God had given me another chance to make things right. Oh, where have you been all these years? You had the chance to report to the police or the authorities. Yes, I knew that, but I had something better. Without that, your authority as king of Ifite would be nothing. Therefore, you mean? Yes. It would have strengthened you as the true king in Ifite. I never knew you were still alive. I'm sorry for playing a role in your parents' death. Your father was a wonderful king. No!
Hello.
Yes, hello? Lady, I've been calling you. You've not been picking my calls. Neither do you reply my WhatsApp messages. Oh, please, honey, I know I have wronged you. I know, but just give me time to explain.
Unfortunately, Prince Henry, I am not interested.
Oh, lady, you can't say that. You can't possibly say that, please. Things faith brings to our path. I believe faith has played its part between Akodo and I. Everything.
Please. Like I said before, I am not interested in any of your stories. Do not call this number again. Excuse me.
Lydia, hello? Damn, she hung up.
Lydia. Well, thank you so much for honoring my invitation. You're most welcome.
So why did you send me? I thought I already made myself clear that I do not want to have anything to do with all of this. Prince Henry is a grown-up man. And he has the right to choose whosoever he wants to marry. I am not interested.
Calm down, Lydia. Calm down. I know you're very angry. But listen. I want you to put the past behind you. Put everything that happened between you and the prince behind you and reconcile with me. Please. What's funny?
You, my boy, you are very funny. How is that possible? You want me to put behind me everything that he has done and reconcile with him, right?
Don't you believe in faith?
Faith. Unfortunately, I do not care. I am fine without your so-called prince. Why didn't you marry him after all? Wait a minute. Haven't I seen you in his car before?
That is exactly why I invited you here. Listen to me, Lydia. You have to just calm down. Put everything that happened behind you and move on. Settle with Henry, my cousin. Oh yes, you heard me correctly. Lydia, honestly, what you think about me is not what I truly am. Yes. Anyway, it's fine. I'll let both of you to do the catching up together. I'll see you.
Once again, please. I'm sorry.
remembered. Glad that all of you witnessed this day. But this celebration will never be for our community alone. Oh no. Inform the neighboring communities. Tell them that I, Igwe Ogadagidi, one of the kingdom, I will be having my first ofala to mark my coronation as the Igwe of Ifite kingdom. Tell them to assemble on the Eke market day. Let the young, the old, everyone is invited.